Hello, creative ones. I'm Michelle Brown, creative director at Mixed Media Art, and I'm so excited to be bringing this new series to you, Gel Printing Fundamentals. So we're going to be covering everything that you've always wanted to know about gel printing and gel plates. Now, I've been mucking around with gel plates for well over 10 years, and it really is a fun way to get painted, to create things, to create absolute unique prints that you can then use in so many of your crafts. I'd love to share some of my tips and tricks, and of course, some of those hard-learned lessons with you that I've accumulated over all those years. Now, in these next few videos, we'll be covering what is all the fuss about gel printing. We'll talk about what is a gel plate, what other tools you might need to get started. We're going to talk about what the best papers are, the best paints. We'll talk about all sorts of mark making and stencils and ones that we've bought, and also things that you can create on your own, because that's one of the fun things about gel printing, is that there's so many things that you can do with so little once you get yourself set up. Of course, we'll be talking about adding layers and doing image transfers. And then as we wrap up the series, what are we going to do with all of these prints we made? Because once we get started, it's very easy to accumulate them quite quickly. And then we'll talk about some storage solutions as well as looking after our gel plates. And then towards the end, we'll be putting it all together with having the most fun gel session ever. So make sure you subscribe. For all the information for classes and our store, head over to our website, mixedmediaart.net. Any comments, leave them below, and of course, tap like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next session. Have a crafty day.